We out here cleaning drains on the Hill P. Long Bridge. We got a pressure washer hooked on the back of a skate body, and it puts out a lot of PSI. When it rains and we don't want the water to stay in the roadway, so the water rolls off to the shoulder and it goes down in the drain. We just push everything down, and then we pick up the debris and put it in bags. We put our signs out, letting people know what's going on ahead of us, and then we line our trucks up so we can protect each other, you know, and we stay inside our cones and make sure the traffic stays on the outside the cones, and we just protect each other inside the lane. Even though you put your signs and your cones out, you still have someone, they're gonna fly by you going fast. You know, some of them blow their horns. Some of them say, why y'all don't do that at night? But we just continue on doing our job, what we have to do. And that's my number one goal since I've been working with the department, is try to work safe and keep everybody safe, the employees, and also the people that passing us that's driving, you know, make sure that they be safe.